What's up, YouTube? Tokyo has a problem. Okay. So the question today is why doesn't Tokyo have a girlfriend? Um I don't really know why I don't have a girlfriend right now. I think it's because I'm too picky cuz I have a lot of do's and don'ts that I personally adhere to. And I have a lot of things that I just won't put up with a female simply because I know me. I mean, it's like this. Another attractive habit. Fuck you. If you don't want to date me because I smoke, okay, that's like the sentence didn't even make sense, but um, yeah, I'm probably gonna quit here before the new year. But this is the thing. I'm um, I'm real picky about the females that I date, and it's not that I don't get dates, but I'm just real fucking picky. I'm a Virgo, so I'm a perfectionist, and I'm not expecting the female to be perfect, but I just people say I'm sadiddy. Sadiddy to me, I don't like that term because it means stuck up, snobby, and stuff like that, and I'm not stuck up at all. I feel like I don't care where the fuck you come from. If you're a good woman, you're a good woman. Okay, your station doesn't dictate if you're a good woman or not. Um, Me personally, I gauge a female on whether or not she will be on the same level as me in the relationship because I take very good care of my women. I really do. Not that I have like a basket full of women in my pocket or some shit like that, but when I'm with a female, I take good care of her. Um, I feel like as far as dating is concerned, me being a lesbian, I feel like if you are gonna be with me and I'm a female, I should treat you better than a man would. However, you should deserve me. Um, I have very idealistic views on what a woman should do for me. Not chauvinistic, just idealistic. Me being a stud, yes, I want my woman to cook. Yes, I want my woman to clean, but I also cook and I also clean. Yes, I want my woman to be good with children. I have a son. I don't mind dating women who have kids. I'm not going to have you getting pregnant for me. Please see previous videos. I don't do the be my stud baby daddy. I don't do that shit. That's stupid to me. That's the dumbest fucking thing in the whole fucking world. Don't do that shit. Um, I just feel like I haven't found the right girl, or if I did find her, it wasn't the right time for us to be together, kind of thing. Um, what are the qualifications? You have to have a job. You don't have to have a car, but it'd be nice. You have to have your own place, of course. You have to live in this fucking city, which fucks me up because I don't know if y'all are familiar with Tampa, but the gay community in Tampa is like that big, that big, and I don't really like to date a lot of people, just because you might be dating somebody, and then you find out that they was fucking your homeboy last month, and it's like, ugh, it's nasty. I don't want to kiss you and taste my homie, dog. For real. Nah, that's not what I want to do. Okay. There's another thing, too, is that people be getting confused. Like, what's the difference between dating exclusively, and just being interested in somebody? I mean, if I'm interested in you, of course I'm going to take the time to get to know you. Just because I'm dating you doesn't mean I'm dating you and you alone. I mean, it's like I want to, you want to have options and shit. I'm not being a player. in my opinion. Because I'm honest about it. I'm like, look, I like you. I mean, I'm trying to get to know you and shit. That don't mean we married, baby. Don't get that. Don't get confused and shit. Don't act brand new, mama. I have played with and been played by too many women. Put all my eggs in one basket. Truly. So I mean, they call it the dating game for a reason. Okay, somebody's gonna have to win, and I happen to be the prize. I'm not conceited. I'm just saying that I'm a hell of a stud to be dating. So I mean, just know that. Oh shit. Pause for the cause. That was real fucked up. That shit right there, Jennifer. Prayers with you, condolences. That was some fucked up shit, man. I don't even appreciate that. I gotta change the music though. That fucked my whole vibe up. Hold up. I snap the fuck off when I hear about people doing ugly shit to children, and I can't even do this video with that playing right now, dog. I can't. I'm gonna be so distracted and angry. I just get irritated. Um, Here we go. Better. What else? Oh, a lot more mellow today. Tokyo is on some new medication for the bipolar. Woo. Yeah, they really pushed the off button on a motherfucker. Yeah. Okay, so what else? Still don't have my car back. It humbles me to no end. Haven't had my car for half a month, 2 weeks, 17 days. I want to kick a puppy, but that would be mean. And why would you kick a puppy over your car? Um, what else? Yeah, that's my move, right? That's my dance. That's the Tokyo dance. Okay, so I'm in love with Janet Jackson, and I'm still hurt because she left me for Jermaine Dupri. It's because that nigga like an inch taller than me, dog. Sorry, dog. I ain't mad at you. If I was your girlfriend, the things I do to you, I'd make you call out my name and that's who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl, man, I need some pussy. Tokyo needs some pussy. I'm sorry if that's vulgar, but it is what it is. I'm gonna run out to the store and grab myself half a glass of ass real quick. Holla at me.